So here is a very important update regarding the 10 days voice-over challenge. Finally, the prize emails are now out, and how to fill the form will cover that thing only. But before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. So those who have completed day 1 to day 10 must have received this particular email yesterday itself. And here a Google form link is there. Okay, you have to click on that particular link. And after that, you have to enter the email with which you have completed from day 1 to day 10. Means whatever email you have used, okay, while filling the earlier forms from day 1 to day 10, you have to just enter that email in both the sections, your full name, shipping address, city, state, pin code, phone number, and at last your 10th day LinkedIn post over here. You have to navigate to your LinkedIn profile, and as you did sharing of the post every day, okay, you have to just copy that 10th day post link, and here you have to post, and at last you have to submit over here. A copy of the same form response will be sent to you, means you can just verify that whether you have entered correct details or not. If you have made any incorrect details, you can reach out to the same support email, or you can reach out to the person in Discord over here. Like this, we have different opportunities also live in the channel where you'll be getting cool prizes. If you have missed this particular challenge, you can get certification. Much more opportunities are there in the channel. Just navigate and find all these things. If you have any single doubt, you can let in the section. This was a quick guide update. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.